Hello everyone, this video is for class 7. It is chapter 7. The topic of the chapter is martial art. Martial arts are systems of codified practices and traditions of training for combat. Martial arts share a single objective to defeat a person physically or to defend oneself from physical threat. Martial arts are commonly associated with East Asian cultures. These are many different types of martial arts, including taekwondo, karate, and jiu-jitsu, as well as mixed martial art, kung fu, tai chi, etc. These are many different types of martial arts in the world. Some are well known and some are not. In this chapter, we have to name some martial arts by reading the descriptions. This is a Japanese martial art performed by following with the motion of the attacker rather than opposing its straight on. This martial art is known as Shud Checked. This martial art is known as Shud Checked. Now number 2. Made famous worldwide by Bruce Lee, the various movements of this martial art form from China are imitations of the fighting styles of animals. It is known as Kung Fu. This famous worldwide by Bruce Lee, the various movements of this martial art form from China. It is known as Kung Fu. This is a combat sport from Japan. The participants are called judoka. This is a combat sport from Japan and the participants are called judoka. This martial art is known as judo. This weapon-based martial art from Tamil Nadu mainly uses a bamboo staff as a weapon. This is known as silambam. They have bamboo staff as a weapon in their hands, and it is the famous martial art from Tamil Nadu. It is known as silambam. It is a Russian martial art. It is a Russian martial art and combat sport. The name of this form means self-defense without weapons. This martial arts is known as self-defense without weapons, and it is called Aikido. It is known as Aikido. This Japanese form involves karateka punching, kicking and knee and elbow strikes. This Japanese form involves karateka punching, kicking and knee and elbow strikes. It is known as karate. It is known as karate. This popular combat sport involves attack and defense. It involves attack and defense with the fists. Participants usually wear padded gloves. They wear padded gloves in their hand. Okay, and the sport involves attack and defense. It is known as boxing. It is known as boxing. This martial art originated in Kerala. This martial art originated in Kerala. It includes strikes, kicks, grappling, weaponing and healing methods. It is known as Kalaripayattu. It is known as Kalaripayattu. The name of this martial art means the gentle way. This martial arts means the gentle way. This was developed in Japan and makes use of few or no weapons and uses holds, throws and paralyzing blows to subdue an opponent. It is known as Jiu-Jitsu. This martial art is known as Jiu-Jitsu. It is a Korean martial art which uses joint, locks, kicks, punches, and other striking attacks. Weapons such as sword, nunchaku, rope, cane, and staff are also used, although their emphasis varies. It is known as Hapkido. This martial art is known as Hapkido. So these are some martial arts which are performed by different countries. They play these martial arts as a game. Also, they use these actions or activities for self defense. Okay, thank you.